Hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here. Today is a day where a lot of calls are coming out. In fact, I think this entire week has been our results week with CAT results, then the ZAT answer key, IFT answer key coming out, and the AMCOSI code stage 1 shortlist coming out. Another set of email has come out today from IIM Lucknow, which a lot of people are thinking that it is the IIM Lucknow what PI shortlist, but this is not the shortlist. IIM Lucknow का shortlisting criteria बहुत ही comprehensive and intense है. I will walk you guys through the dashboard of their IIM Lucknow admissions policy. Let's understand that. It's going to be very important कि वो scores कैसे calculate होते हैं, because the email that they have sent out is asking you to give your graduation marks details, which is very important for your shortlist. Okay, so do not miss out that update. Please, all the people who expect IIM Lucknow calls, you must go and check out your this email वेरी वेल. ठीक है, ईमेल में क्या भेजा है उन्होंने, अपने को एक्सपेक्टेड कर रहे हो तो अपनी ईमेल्स चेक करो. मेक श्योर यू गाइज हैव पुट योर नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन योर फोन, switched on loud, so that you do not miss any emails from any colleges. सब IIMs की emails आनी start हो जाएंगी अभी से. एंड स्पैम भी रोज चेक करना, ठीक है. आज से पहले कितनी बारी, आई नो, आई रिमेंबर अ स्टूडेंट जिसने IIM शिलोंग, एक ही IIM की कॉल थी, IIM शिलोंग, वो भी मिस कर दी क्योंकि वो स्पैम में मिल चली गई थी. सो प्लीज चेक स्पैम ऑल्सो एवरी डे, ठीक है. This is the mail that has come out from IIM Lucknow. The subject of the mail is graduation marks details. कहीं पे भी IIM Lucknow कुछ नहीं लिखा है. Graduation marks details करके subject line है. email खोल लेना सब लोग. It's given there that thanks for showing your interest in joining the PGP ABM SM program of IIM Lucknow. Based on your performance in CAT 2021, you meet the minimum cutoff percentile in stage 1A of IML's admission policy. I will show you the policy as well. ठीक है, तो let's wait till the end. Your percentage marks in graduation were not captured in the CAT database that is needed to compute graduation component weight in stage 1B. So you are advised to provide that. ठीक है. You have to enclose a scanned copy of all your transcripts, mark sheets, latest by 10th Jan 5 PM Monday. यार मंडे तक भी वेट मत करो, आज रात को ही फिल कर दो. सिंपल सा गूगल फॉर्म है विच यू नीड टू गो. ठीक है, ये रहा आपको, यहाँ पे आपको अपने मिनिमम मैक्सिमम मार्क्स obtained marks in the latest semester and your mark sheets and transcripts सारी फाइल अपलोड करनी है. Why this is very important? वेरी एसेंशियल. ठीक है गाइज, ये रही IIM लखनऊ की एडमिशन पॉलिसी. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीबडी. प्लीज स्टे फुली फोकस्ड ऑन टू दिस. Eligibility criteria for the WAT PI process. Okay, minimum sectional and total cutoff for candidates WAT PI stage. PGP program, general students verbal में subsection में 85, total 90. PGP ABM के लिए all the sections they need 80, total 85. Same for PGP SM. Okay, you'll see your PGP ABM and PGP SM program जो है, इनका eligibility criteria is same for all the category students. ठीक है. EWS में every section में every section for PGP is 77, overall 82. For ABM and SM, every section 72, overall 77. NCOBC same as EWS. Sorry guys. SC, VARC is 55 and total is 70. Each section में 55 है and total 70. PGP ABM और SM में इधर sectional में 55 है, overall 65 है. ठीक है, overall थोड़ा सा कम कर दिया है उन्होंने. Same for ST and PWD candidates. All the sectionals of PGP, ABM, SM में 50 चाहिए in each section. Overall for PGP is 65. Overall for ABM and SM is 60. ठीक है, so this is my eligibility criteria, which is my stage 1A of eligibility criteria based on your CAT scores. Okay, ये आप लोग सबको अपना पता होगा कि आप eligible हो कि नहीं हो. If you are eligible, तो ये आप चेक कर लो कि तुम्हारे CAT के डेटाबेस में आई है कि नहीं आई है मार्कशीट. स्टेज 1B के लिए हमारे ग्रेजुएशन के मार्क्स तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. First time when you will see this, the minute I saw this also, I was like, oh my god, ये कर क्या रहे हैं, इतनी कॉम्प्लेक्स सी क्यों बना रखी है इन्होंने. बट जो भी है, वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स स्टेज 1B शॉर्टलिस्टिंग क्राइटेरिया. ओके, how are they shortlisting? They have given weightage to various elements. Your CAT scores, 12th ka marks, graduation ka marks, work experience, diversity factor of academics, diversity factor of gender. ये 5 elements पे basis पे आपको 100 marks का score मिलने वाला है. Good thing, 10th scores की कोई weightage नहीं है यहाँ पे, 10th के scores का लिखा भी नहीं है, right? So here what they are doing is 60% weightage is given to your CAT scores. So ये CS component, how they are calculating is, CS is the candidate's CAT score, your CAT score, divided by the highest CAT score into X, which is 60 here. क्योंकि weightage 60 है, ठीक है? That is the first component, CAT का scale score का what weightage you have. Second component we have is 12th marks. 10% weightage to it. In this 10%, how your 10 marks you're getting, ठीक है? 100 marks का ये है, 60 marks का हमारा CAT score हो गया. 10 marks for 12th standard, what you're getting is, if you are less than or equal to 80, 0. 80 to 85, you're going to get 2.5 score. 85 to 90, you will get a 5 score. 90 to 95, you will get a 7.5 score. 95 plus, you will get full 10 on 10. ठीक है? Then comes your graduation marks. This is what is not captured in CAT database. जो मेल आई है तो ये दे देना सब लोग, ठीक है? 10 marks for this. ये बहुत ही complex है. To be normalized as per academic discipline. 1 is engineering. 2 is science, BSc people. 3rd is commerce. 4th is arts. 5th is others. Okay? So now how we are going to do is, GM is your graduation marks का weightage. So candidates को अपने जो score हैं, that percentage score minus mu, which is the mean, and standard deviation which they have taken as per the respective academic discipline. They have given mean and standard deviation component of the academic discipline जो है वो calculate करेंगे mean and standard deviation. Candidate's graduation score minus the mean divided by the standard deviation into 50 by 3 plus 50 into 10 by 100. ठीक है, ये वो कैलकुलेट करेंगे. उसके बाद आपका नेक्स्ट कंपोनेंट जो आता है इज योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. 10 marks for work experience if you are for PGP and your work ex is greater than 6. Okay, you will be, work ex is minimum less than 6 into 0.5 into 10. ठीक है, ऑल राइट. सो ये आपका जो वर्क एक्स का है, वर्क एक्स में एक्स इज नंबर ऑफ कंप्लीटेड मंथ्स ऑफ वर्क एक्स एज पर जुलाई 31st 2021. इफ योर एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन 6, देन वो क्या करेंगे, x minus 6 into 0.5 comma 10, they are going to take that as the minimum, जो भी मिनिमम है 10 में से, इसमें से अगर आपका ABM है तो वर्क एक्स के लिए 0 है, PGP SM है और x ग्रेटर देन 24 है तो x minus 24 into 0.5 and 10 जो भी मिनिमम है वो कंसिडर होगा. ठीक है, then comes the fifth element which is diversity factor. Academic discipline wise 5 marks. Okay, diversity factor gender wise 5 marks. ठीक है, ABM में डाइवर्सिटी का फैक्टर ज़्यादा है क्योंकि इसमें वर्क का कुछ भी नहीं था, तो ये 20 मार्क्स है फॉर योर एकेडमिक डिसिप्लिन. ओके, PGP एंड PGP SM में डाइवर्सिटी फैक्टर जो है, जो भी आते हैं इन एकेडमिक डाइवर्सिटी कॉलम 1, आई विल रीड दैट कॉलम ऑल्सो, 5 मार्क्स उनको मिलेंगे, बाकियों को 0 मिलेगा. PGP ABM में जो लिस्टेड इन कॉलम 2 हैं उनको 20 मार्क्स मिलेगा, बाकी लोग को 0 मिलेगा. Diversity factor gender में very simple, they have done that if you are for any of the programs and your diverse female category, so 5 marks, males 0. So they are very pushing female candidates and non-engineers to apply for the same. Basis this एक 100 का composite score बनेगा. Okay, that 100 composite score के basis पे your final interview shortlist will come, which will be emailed to you. Okay, now when we talk about the academic diversity, column 1 जो था for PGP and PGP SM program, all the people who come under this section, you can clearly see this. Check the screenshot, take a screenshot of it. Arts, humanities, commerce, economics, chartered accountant, computer application, education, law, medicine, pharma, science wale, these people get marks. Okay, for PGP ABM it's different. Agriculture, science, animal husbandry, dairy science, forestry, food technology, horticulture, rural studies, agriculture and veterinary science will get that. Okay, after that you will be shortlisted for, based on your composite score you will be qualifying and you will be getting emails, or you will have to log into the IIM Lucknow website, and there you will be getting your shortlist for the what PI. All right, दिस इज द होल प्रोसेस विच दे विल बी फॉलोइंग. तो अपने ग्रेजुएशन के मार्क्स यार प्लीज़ जल्दी से अपडेट कर देना. डोंट डिले, डोंट मेक इट वेरी लास्ट मिनट, बिकॉज फिर लास्ट मिनट में हैसल्स होते हैं बहुत सारे. And for all the people who have not yet started your what PI preparation, once all calls comes out, you're going to have really less time to start your preparation. So let's start tonight itself. See you guys tonight at 10 p.m. where we are starting case studies and what and how to approach all of them. In fact, you have a rigorous program for everyday 10 to 11 p.m. sessions. All right. Stay tuned to the channel for all the updates. Bye bye. Take care.